What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're just going to do a quick rundown and recap of today's GJ trade that was called in the free Telegram, which is this one right here. We got 221 people in here currently. You can see this is where I called out the trade on GJ right here. And here we hit take profit 1, and there's the profits that I made today. And then we hit take profit 2. Beautiful 1 hour candle coming down with volume, and this is exactly what we look for, and this is exactly what I teach in my course, how to capture that volume and when it comes into the market and when you can expect to come into the market. But this isn't about the course, this is just about a quick breakdown of what we can see and why we were looking for buys here today on GJ. So looking at the daily, what I was looking at is the fact that yesterday's candle closed bearish, like this. After quite an extensive move up, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish daily candles in a row, and then we finally push up. We can see that this is a high volume candle here. This was from Wednesday, and this left no top wick here on this daily candle. And then we see that the next Thursday's daily candle spikes up and comes down and closes bearish. So I was looking to capture some of that bearish momentum, due to the fact that on the 4-hour time frame we kind of made this kind of support level, and if we take a look at the 1 hour, we can see this is kind of a swing point in the market. Let me get rid of this. So we can see the daily, we can see that on the 4-hour and the 1 hour, that price made this kind of high. So you can see that the market is trending up, and we come down and create this high, and then this high gets broken. So I was looking at that momentum. I was looking at the daily bearish candle closure. We can see here that we kind of break below, close below this level, retest it, and then we start coming to the downside, and we spike out of this previous daily low here. We can see this is where we spike out, and it closes bullish, closes back inside the previous daily candle, and then we create a top wick and we start selling off quite heavy. So at that point, after this small 1 hour pullback, you can see this 1 hour pullback bullish candle here. Price for me was going to continue bearish at that point, following this overall momentum, daily candle closure, break of market structure here, with this kind of swing low in the market, or higher low, whatever you want to call it. Breaks it, retests it, we get the momentum to the downside. We can see the 4-hour candles here all closing bearish. We can see this 4-hour candle just ripping down here, bearish engulfing 4-hour candle, ripping all the way down, and then we can see strong bullish closures within here, closing below this level. And then once that daily level gets broken, that previous daily low, for me, that was going to continue bearish. Just my thoughts and my outlook on the market, through my experience in the market. And basically we had our take profits down here in these kind of support areas and resistance areas right here, right? Support, resistance, support, kind of like that. So that was the setup on GJ. This is how we capture that volume, by looking at the daily. We also look at the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and we go in depth in all of those. But like I said, that's all taught in my course. And we do have a gold trade that is currently pending here. We have sales, and basically looking at the same type of thing. We have a pretty strong downtrend here on gold. We have had it for some time now, similar to how GJ has been in that strong uptrend. Gold has been in this strong downtrend. If we take a look at the daily chart right here, we can see bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles, all respecting structure. And then now we've got a spike, kind of got this this daily candle yesterday where we had a big top wick, big rejection wick, and then it closed with a slight rejection wick to the bottom as well. So it didn't close necessarily strong bearish, but it did close bearish, and it has now closed below these kind of areas. If you want to go from wick to body over here, then this would be the zone. But if you wanted to capture just some of that, or if you're just wanting to capture some of the bottom wick, we can see that we've closed below all those levels, and price is now retesting it. I did have a Fibonacci potential move from this previous daily candle, which could potentially still get hit over here. If we come up into this overall level in the market, this zone, we could look for sales here to take this back down to follow that overall market structure to the downside. But for now, I'm looking at sales here to continue bearish because of this move down, because of this overall momentum on the 4 hour, the daily, the 1 hour. We have a pullback, kind of like a, you know, if we do this and this, we've got like this small pullback, bearish candle closure matching up with the overall trend during pre-London. So I was expecting that this current 4 hour candle now has made its top wick, and now it starts to flip and drive bearish to match this previous bearish candle and start to drive down into our take profit levels here. And we just have our take profit levels at levels of support and resistance. This one is from all the way out left, so we're not going to worry about that too much. But yeah, we got 40 seconds left of this 1 hour candle here. We'll see if this continues bearish, and we'll look to capture 30 pips for take profit 1 and around about 70 pips for take profit 2 here on gold. And if price starts driving up here and starts to break this structure, we can look at sales from this level to take that down. But for now, we're looking for price to break 1890612 to continue bearish down into our take profit level. So we'll see what happens. But we've already had a beautiful trade here on GJ, smashing our take profit levels. And this is just simple price action concepts, keeping forex simple, right? And that's what we want to do, is keep forex simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need to have loads of different complicated names and different complicated strategies, and you know, the order block and the imbalance area and the crazy, you know, all the kind of crazy names that are out there. Doesn't need that. You can keep it as simple as you like, as long as you follow your rules, follow your strategy, and you have a game plan in place that you stick to at all times, and you don't get greedy, and you have patience, and you have good trade and risk management. It doesn't matter what strategy you use, all right? So that was today. That was a quick recap of today. And I will probably do another update on this gold trade if it ends up getting triggered. But if you haven't already, come and join the Telegram. The link will be down below in the description. This is a free Telegram. There's 220 people in here at the moment. And we're eating, right? We're eating off of these free trades, winning trades. So yeah, I'll see you in there, and I'll see you in the next video.